Top 10 drinks. Let's see. Come on, let's see. Laptop.
Oh my God!
Number 3. Really good. Alexandro Nesta from AC Milan. Number 5. Yes. Messi. Messi, let's see. 1 or 2. Number 9, of course. Let's see. Spirit. 40 degrees. Number 4. Yes. Franța.
Bruh.
French. Sebastian Macarons. Number 2. Let's see. Teddy Bear. Number 8. Capri. 6. Let's see. Pringles.
Oh my God!
Number 10. I don't know. Number 7. And number 1 is, let's see, Macarena. Alla tu alegría Macarena. Caso es bono.